Olá a todos! The World Cup in Qatar is about to begin, and as you can probably imagine, the Portuguese are very excited about their national soccer team. I always like to mention that soccer is a great way to get to know and connect with the Portuguese people. If you are moving to Portugal and you aren't a soccer fan, try to learn about the sport. It will help you make Portuguese friends. In today's episode, I will be teaching you the names of the Portuguese players so you can practice pronunciation, learn their positions, and explain other vocabulary related to the sport. In Portugal, if you can speak the language of soccer, you will always have a great topic to talk to a native speaker. If you enjoy my videos, make sure to subscribe. Also, if you're looking for Portuguese gear to dress up, check out my link below to my Amazon store. E agora, vamos começar! The World Cup 2022, or Campeonato Mundial de Futebol 2022, will be held in Qatar in Portuguese, from November 20th to December 18th. And the national coach, Selecionador Nacional, Fernando Santos, presented his list of players, jogadores convocados, recently. There are 26 players, and we will get to know their position on the field and practice the pronunciation of their names. Let's start with the goalkeepers, os guarda-redes. Diogo Costa, José Sá, Rui Patrício. Playing as defenders, defesas, we have several players, some with less common names and spelling. Diogo Dalot, João Cancelo, António Silva, Danilo Pereira. Pep, Rubem Dias, Nuno Mendes, Rafael Guerreiro. In the midfield, meio campo, we have the midfielders, os médios. Fernando Santos called 9 players. They are João Palhinha, Ruben Neves, Bernardo Silva, Bruno Fernandes, João Mário, Mateus Nunes, Otávio, Vitinha e William Carvalho. Finally, we have the forwards, os avançados. This is the position where Cristiano Ronaldo plays, considered a key player in the team. Let's hope they score a lot of goals, muitos golos. André Silva, Cristiano Ronaldo, Gonçalo Ramos, João Félix, Rafael Leão, Ricardo Horta. Now that you know how to pronounce the names of all the players on the Portuguese national team, don't forget to review our detailed video, Get Ready to Become a Portugal Fan, so you can become an expert on the subject and sit in a cafe discussing the latest game like a pro. And remember, the championship starts on the 20th and Portugal's first game is on the 24th against Ghana. Ghana in Portuguese. Força Portugal!